Hello all, welcome to the offline business intelligence dashboard. In that video, I'll show you how to create a simple dashboard like this. So in the dashboard, like this, and you can just send the dashboard to your colleagues, your friends, whoever you need to send the dashboard, or different kind of like KPIs you'd like to send to your team. So it's a pretty simple dashboard. It's just a HTML file, and you can just attach it in your email in Outlook or Gmail. You can just send it over there. So basically this is the output file. So now I'm going to show you how do I create the particular dashboard. So for that I'm going I'm just going to my IPYMD file. So basically this is the file. From here I have created the particular dashboard. So in the file you can see that there are a lot of like Python packages I've used, like Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, Plotly, and different things. But to create particular the interactive dashboard, you definitely need the Plotly. But here the new thing I have done is that I have used Pandas to create Plotly libraries. For that you need to select Panda backend as an Plotly, and after that you can create any kind of dashboard using normal Pandas plot methodology to create interactive Plotly dashboards. To create the data, I went to the our world data. So in our world, it's a beautiful database. There you'll get a lot of different information about our world. Totally open source database, lot of charts over there. If you would like to see, you can just see over there lot of different things. So I went to their like COVID page in GitHub. So there they every day they publish daily data, like latest data of different COVID related data, like vaccination, COVID tests, deaths, or different macroeconomic indicator of different countries. So from here I have downloaded that CSV file. You can see that CSV file over here. So this is the CSV file, and in the CSV file you'll see a lot of different attributes as I mentioned, and using that attributes you can create awesome beautiful kind of charts. So that was my approach to creating the dashboard. So I have uploaded the data using the Pandas data frame, and after that I filter out the data for India only. So you can see this is for India, and in the in India what is the current situation like. So this is the for India. If you see, it's the total vaccinations per 100 and new tests per 1000. So you can see so vaccination per 100 and per 1000 what is the tests. So in the same chart I have shown it over here. So the similar kind of thing, like every day what is the case, like new COVID cases, it's quite high. In the similar to like what is the daily death rates for India. And also I have also given the hospitalized, like hospital infrastructure of different countries, like hospital beds per 1000. So you can see the country list with different hospital beds. So over here the Macau is the maximum hospital beds, and the different countries over here. And another thing what I have done is that I have also given the like cardiac death rate, like cardiovascular death rates, and the diabetic prevalence data in for different countries. So diabetes prevalence determines, it's a kind of data. It's a number of like percentage of people out of total population affected by diabetes in a particular country. So lot of different kind of information you'll find in the database. I'll just keep some of them to show you to create the dashboard. So in the dashboard you know that people usually accepts only the outputs. They don't need to have the input features, input methodologies. How do you create the dashboard? For that what you can do is that you can use a particular NB convert package, Python package, which comes automatically with Anaconda. But if you don't have it, you can easily install it using pip. So I have installed over here. So how do you now I'm going to create the particular HTML file which only show you the output but not the input. But another thing you can do is that you can also like download it as HTML, but the problem over here is that it will only create the it will create both input and output, but you need only the output. So for that you have to go to the project folder where the project is. Okay, so right now I'm in the project folder, like COVID database is the folder name of the project. So over here I'm going to write that particular command called Jupyter. Okay, Jupyter NV converter. Okay, then the IPYNB file name, so it's offline COVID dashboard .ipynb, and then dash double dash 2 space HTML space double dash, then no space no input. Okay, just run. Okay, I think something went wrong over here. Okay, oh, I've just used NV converter, it should be NV convert. So Jupyter NV convert. Okay, then the file name, okay, space double dash 2 HTML, okay, space double dash no space in no input. Okay, now right, it will create the HTML file. Okay, now it has created the HTML file, it's around 4 MB. So if I go to the folder, so you can see the particular HTML file already created over there. So if I double click over here, you can see that particular HTML file. It's a beautiful dashboard. You can just attach that file to anyone who would like to send it, and all the interactions, all the responsiveness, the interaction with the charts, everything will remain same. If somebody would like to see it in their mobile browser, they can also do that. Like, I'm just minimizing that thing, the browser window. You can see it's responsive, so you can see the people can also see the charts. It's a responsive chart. So that is the beauty of that particular HTML offline dashboard. I hope you like the video. I have mentioned all the references over here. From there I have taken inspirations to create that particular dashboard. I hope you like it, and if you need more information how do I create that particular dashboard in a detailed way, you can go to my Medium profile, and in the Medium you'll get that all the different things over here. So all the things you'll find over here in my Medium profile, like how do I create that particular dashboard in a detailed view, all the different codes and everything. And if you'd like to see my other projects, you can definitely go to my GitHub profile. You'll find all the different projects. I think you'll like all the different things. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you soon. Thank you.